Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I want to share with you guys how I made this DIY teepee for my daughter's photo shoot. It came out so cute, and if you would like to see how I made this, just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off with the teepee, I used 3 wooden dowel sticks, 2 yards of fabric, a glue gun, glue sticks, as well as some twine. If you want to add the wreath, you can. It's optional. I used the wreath and some fake flowers. Okay, so to get started with the wreath, I'm going to add flowers and leaves to it using my glue gun. And it might look a little crazy because I was adding way too many leaves and then I had to remove them at the end. But if you see this and you're like, whoa girl, that looks crazy, it gets better, I promise. Okay, so since this was looking a little crazy, I just started to remove some of the leaves and it started to look better. Okay, so I added some flowers and baby's breath and this came out super cute. Okay, so now grabbing the 2 legs, I'm just going to line it up and see how I want this to stand. Then I'm going to add some hot glue and then piece these 2 together, then add the back leg with some more hot glue. I kind of rushed it a little bit, and from learning from my mistakes, I would like to recommend adding a lot more glue than I did, letting it dry, waiting for it to dry, and then start wrapping it. I feel like that would have been a lot easier, but this is my first time making it. Okay, so this is a perfect example of me not having enough patience and this thing is not working out so far. So I'm going to flip it around and then add some more glue, and then that seemed to help. Okay, so now I'm going to add the fabric. I just folded it in half and then found the point, put it on top, and then I'm going to make it look nice at the bottom, and then I will attach it with some twine. Next, I attached the wreath with some twine. Okay, so now I'm just going to add blankets and pillows just to dress it up a little more. So I was making this late at night. It was 1 in the morning. I was like the only one awake, and I was like, wow, this is looking cute. But the next day I woke up and I was like, wow, that thing is really short. So I was like, girl, you need to add more glue. So I added some more glue and it came out so perfect the next day, and it looked so cute. It was standing so perfectly and I loved it even more. I'm sorry, I know this video is a little all over the place, but I figured if I were to share with you guys what went wrong with me, that would help you even more when you make it yourself. And so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this.
Hi, baby. Cara. Hey, mama, look it. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo.
Do we have boyfriends?
I
Yay!
love you. Hey, baby. Hi, mama.
Ooh, that's so delicious.
Aw, I think we got some good ones.
Okay guys, and this is how one of the pictures came out. They were so cute. Like, this was a total success. You know, after I had all those issues, we fixed them. This came out so cute. And I probably spent about less than $20 on the supplies. I used the flowers for the cake and the wreath, so I kind of split those in half. But if you can find those flowers cheaper, it would definitely be cheaper. And yeah, I totally recommend this. They came out so cute. And let me know if you guys like this video in the comments down below. Also, leave me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you. And if you have any video recommendations, leave them down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, guys, bye.